guys, what is up? So Hank and Henry was kind enough to send me some goodies as well as these cute little bunny ears, you know what I'm saying? They were kind enough to send over this huge egg full of their lip, eye, cheeks cream mousses. So let's jump into it. Okay, so let's break this egg open here and let me swatch all of these for you guys. Okay, so the first one that we are going to swatch is Coralie, and this is the one that we used today on our face. And these go on super sheer because they are a lip, cheek, and eye mousse, but they are buildable, as you can see. Next, we have Dolly Danger, and you guys, I'm still mastering on how to get these open. Some of them can be a little tricky. So this is a really sheer baby pink, but it is buildable. Next, we have Farah. Here is Bambi. Let's build that one up more so you guys can see how pink you can get it. Here we have Santeria, super pretty. Here is Valentina. Here we have Voodoo. Next we have Gothis. This one is called Senora. And last but not least, we have Supreme. And there are all of the lips, eyes, cheeks cream mousses by Hank and Henry swatched. Sorry for the messy swatches, you guys. But there they all are. And they are definitely buildable, and you can also shear them out as well. So they're not going to be too intense for the cheeks, or if you just want a little bit of a flushed kind of look on the cheeks or the lips, they are perfect for that. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look using the lips, eyes, cheeks mousses by Hank and Henry, then just stay tuned. Okay, so what I'm starting out with first is the Color Canvas Paint C1 by Hank and Henry. I'm just using this as a concealer. And these can be used as concealers to cut the crease, pretty much anything you want them to be used for. And for contour today, I'm using the Hank and Henry Contour Stick in Perosi and just applying that to the face. I kind of wanted to use all Hank and Henry face products for this, just to see kind of how they all blend together. And then I think for my cheeks, I'm gonna use the Coralie Cream Mousse. Is so pretty. Okay, so now I'm just going to use this on my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with this Nudes palette by Hank and Henry. And I'm just gonna take this shade up here at the top called Guerra and just kind of soften that outer area a little bit. And then I also think I am gonna go in with just a little bit of Skinny Dip and kind of place that on the outer corner of the eye just to give it a little bit of depth. So as you guys can see, this is working great as a base as well. So now I'm just gonna apply a little bit to the lips. And I think I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of Senora and just place that right into the center of the lip for a little bit of depth on there. And this is the final look using the Lips, Eyes, and Cheeks Cream Mousses by Hank and Henry. I am super excited to try these out some more. As you could see, they are super blendable. When I went to put it on the eye, it just blended out like a dream. They are perfect for the natural kind of person who want that sheer kind of blush, flushed kind of look. And they are perfect for that full coverage kind of person as well, because you can kind of build them up to have a more opaque coverage. And that is it, you guys. I just want to say a big thank you to Hank and Henry for sending me all of these products to try. And thank you guys for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.